Do what I'm about to show you in today's video, and no one will take you for granted at work. Today, I'm going to show you a few body language tricks to command respect at work. This topic does not need more introduction. If you have been through situations where you felt like you were that invisible person who doesn't get noticed, or you should have spoken up, or someone talked over you, or something about your personality gave them an impression that they can get away with a certain behavior and you will not say anything back, then I am going to help you change that situation for you today by giving you a few body language techniques that you need to learn today, girl, because it is you who needs to create a better workplace for yourself. Nobody else is coming to help you. When you are afraid, your body shrinks. When you don't want to be seen or you don't want the attention on you, your body language says it all. You slouch, your legs, your shoulders, your torso, your arms, they all compress. The fear you feel inside your mind is displayed outside instantly just because of your body language. Change these physical gestures. Open your body up, especially in situations where your mind starts to feel the fear. For instance, if you're sitting with someone who has a very dominating demeanor or a position during a presentation, or if you're speaking in public, if you're at an interview, in a group or a meeting, wherever, open up. Take more space. Watch my video that I posted a few weeks ago where I shared a few exercises about changing your posture, and even doing just a couple of these right before an important presentation or a meeting will help you open up your shoulders and straighten up your posture naturally, where you don't have to force yourself or remind yourself to keep up. This will help you take more space. Number one, you can do this in so many ways. Instead of sitting straight, sit slightly diagonally. Watch how raising one shoulder more than the other helps you take a little more space instantly without being too invasive. Transition number two, instead of keeping your knees straight in line with your body, move them to an angle away from your body. Again, a great way to take more space and become more visible to the other person. You see how just making these two changes in your sitting posture can help you take more space. Now, the second situation is very common. Tell me if this has happened with you, that somebody will try to speak over you and take over the conversation while you are halfway through your sentence. Let me show you, assuming this is you. I think the client wanted to see a little bit more structured fabric during the presentation. Okay, so we need to discuss some other important issues. If you let someone take over once, you're not just giving them an impression that they can do it again, but also anyone else who is present in that room will also start to take this liberty with you, because you let them believe that it is okay to cut you off halfway through your sentences or bulldoze and take over conversation while you are still speaking. Instead, when someone tries to take over, you could either say, "One second, Matthew, I was still speaking, let me finish, and then you can take over." Say it assertively but in a calm tone, and look them in their eyes when you're speaking. Or ever so slightly, raise your volume level without saying that you need to complete your sentence. And at the same time, use your hand as though you're telling them to back off. Watch the same example again. I think the client wanted to see more structured fabrics during the presentation so that he could see what the same outfit would look like in different fabrics. Let's think through these points and we can reconnect after lunch. Matthew, you can take over now. Talking about body language, I really want you to check out this class by Nick Saraev. It is called Body Language, a simple, no-frill guide to mastering communication. And this class is available on Skillshare. Although as an image coach, I teach a lot about commanding body language as a part of developing a powerful self-image. In this class by Nick, I learned a few new things that body language can communicate, such as high-value body language behavior and low-value body language, sitting and standing body language tricks that were new to me, business body language behavior, romantic body language behavior, and so much more. I am a lifelong learner and I am so glad that I have Skillshare on my phone, where I can learn any new topic in a class where each lesson is about 3 to 5 minutes long. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives where millions come together to take the next step in their creative journey. Skillshare offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people on topics including illustration, design, health, self-care, photography, videography, productivity, fitness, styling, art, communication skills, music. Check it out for yourself because the first 1,000 of my subscribers who click on the link that you will find in my description below will get 1 month free trial of Skillshare, so you can start exploring your creativity today. And trust me, you will find yourself venturing into a variety of topics like I do, because we all have more interests and passions than one. If you like watching my videos, then you will surely enjoy some of the topics on personal development, body language, confidence, self-photography, public speaking skills, and many more on Skillshare. When each lesson is about 1 to 3 minutes or sometimes even 5 minutes long, you can complete their whole class or learn a completely new skill, sometimes in less than 15 minutes. In this 1 month free trial, you can attend multiple classes at a time that's convenient to you, explore new skills, and deepen your existing passions in just 1 month. And after that, you will just get hooked to Skillshare like I did. But remember, it is only the first 1,000 of my subscribers who will get this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity if you seriously want to learn new topics without having to step outside of your house. The link is in my description. Thank you, Skillshare, for sponsoring this video. I bet my audience too will enjoy it as much as I do. Change suggestion number 3. Stop smiling. You need to stop smiling when you're uncomfortable or even when not necessary. This is a warm expression. Keeping a warm expression is very different from smiling non-stop. You may think you're pleasing people by doing it. Sometimes by doing so, you're letting them get away with what you are not okay with. Let this be your listening face during a conversation. Smile when needed for a few seconds, and if somebody says anything unpleasant, or if your opinion on something is different, then please don't judge yourself when you frown. It will stop them in their tracks. Instead of you, know that it is them who will now be uncomfortable. I see this very often when people reflect their anxiety and fear through this weird smile mixed with laughter kind of expression. And notice that the smile is only down here, not in your eyes. It's a very uncomfortable look that does nothing but take your authority and your respect away. If you are worried that you will make the other person mad or escalate the situation, then don't be. You need to protect yourself first. If you don't stop this in time, this behavior will continue. It will play on your mind and ruin the rest of your day and the rest of your years working in the same office. Body language is one way of developing massive confidence, but there are a few other very important factors that can help you become a very powerful person that you always visualized yourself to be. In my one-on-one customized image transformation workshops, I aim to help you develop a complete image that can be delivered through your personal style, your communication skills, your personal branding, makeup skills, body language skills, and most importantly, helping you shift your mindset to change the perception about yourself and value yourself higher than you have ever before. The information to work with me is on my website. It is parmitakatkar.com. All you need to do is just fill out a form and my team will schedule a complimentary phone call to help you plan your sessions with me and to answer any questions that you may have. My website, like I said, is parmitakatkar.com. You can also reach my team directly via this email, info@blushwithme.com. I've created multiple playlists that help you develop confident body language and communication skills. All my playlists are linked below in the description. So are all my other social media handles. Please follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook fan page, and Amazon storefront. Once you hit that subscribe button with the bell you see right next to it, hit the like button, share this video link with your friends, and leave your precious comments and suggestions below. And then you're good to go check out all my other videos. Before you go, I have a very important question for you. This is your question of the week. I'm guessing you have seen all my face yoga videos as well as my image transformation videos. All you need to tell me is which content you enjoy more and want to see more of. Face yoga or image transformation? On that note, I will see you next week. Until then, give me that powerful body language and blush with me.